Hello everyone and welcome on this new gold signals video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. I'm just very happy to see my signals on the midweek analysis video has worked perfectly fine. As you can see, the gold has reversed from the level which I have given and currently running in about 40 pips of profit and total of 82 pips of profit. Pound USD has also reversed exactly from the sell level and went in so currently running in 60 pips of profit and total of 102 pips of profit. AUD USD not yet, USD CAD not yet. USD JPY has reversed exactly from the buy level I have given and went in total of 211 pips of profit. How cool is that? I really wish you guys have taken these signals and have made a decent profit, and I would like to hear from you. What was your experience with these signals? Have you made any profits with it? I really would like to hear. I want to know if these signals are making benefits for you guys. Anyway, let's now start the gold signals video and let's now see what are the setups that are actually waiting for us on the gold for today, Thursday. Now, let me just begin by telling you something. The gold right now, if we check the daily chart, is generally gonna be in a bearish movement, but for the meantime we will actually consider buying the gold for one reason, because the gold still has to rise for a few more pips before it's gonna be valid for the short. Based on my original analysis, I believe that the gold is gonna start the bearish movement right on 1775. 1775 is going to be the level where we can start shorting the gold, and as you can see, the gold almost kissed that level just like by 20 pips more, far away from the take profit level, from the sell level. But still, if we check the chart, we can see that the gold is currently facing a support right here, exactly at 1762.39, which means that the gold is indeed going to continue the rise, and even it could actually rise higher than that. It actually might continue the rise till it reaches 1780, and from that point the bearish movement will begin. So however, till then we are actually going to maintain buying orders for the scalping. So that being said, let's now go to the 1 minute candle. And right here, my friends, I want to give you here the few signals which you can use actually for scalping the gold. Let me just tell you something. We are having here a very strong key support level at 1762.92. If you have seen the gold actually falling all the way like that, retesting the same level of that support, I would highly advise you to buy the gold right from that level. So in my opinion, that's going to be a good level for the buy. Let's make it here buy, and let's name it buy 1. Now, why buy 1? Because I don't want you to keep buying the gold whenever it reaches that level. We don't want to buy the gold on these after so many attempts. We are aiming the first attempt only from these signals, which means this is buy 1, meaning if the gold has fallen all the way right here, place your buy order, wait for it to reach the take profit level and get out of it. If the gold, however, fall again to the same level of the buy again, don't buy, because it has already been wasted. It has already happened, and we don't want to keep buying the gold over and over on the same level. So that's gonna be buy 1. However, if we placed here the buy order, I believe that the take profit level has to be placed exactly right here at the nearest resistance to our entry, which is gonna be at 1765.73, which means we can actually aim about 28 pips profit from this signal, and of course place the same amount for your stop loss. So that's gonna be take profit number 1. And you know something, I want to use lines here to make things easier. So simply just like that. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a lot easier. I'm sure that's gonna be easier. And exactly just like that, that's my expectation for the movement on the gold. Now, after this happens, let me just squeeze the chart so I can see it more. After that happens, where exactly we can start buying the gold again? Well, let me just tell you something. The resistance right here at 1766.73 is quite strong, and there is a possibility that the gold actually might fall again, breaking out from that previous support level which we have placed the buy order. That's why I'm telling you, do not place another buy order right here. After this attempt occurred, just simply wait for the next opportunity. Do not place another buy order, because the next level where I'm expecting actually to start buying the gold again is gonna be right here. if the gold actually has fallen upon the pressure from the resistance at 1766.73. Right here, exactly right here. That's gonna be, my friends, the next level to start buying the gold again. So, in other words, we have to place here buy 2. So here, you can place your second order for the buy, so the lines will be like this. This is actually much easier. I don't know how I didn't think about it before. And if that happens, if we have placed here the buy order, the take profit level is gonna be right here, the nearest resistance to our entry, which was the original buy 1. So meaning buy 1 will be our take profit level in this scenario, which means we are aiming 26 pips, hopefully gonna be a good profit. So let me just write it here, take profit number 2. So now what's the next scenario that we can expect from this movement? Well, let me tell you something. After that happens, I mean, this strong key support level at 1760 is quite a strong support level. I don't think that the gold is gonna make any bearish movement after this. Most likely the gold will continue the rise. So now, after we buy the gold right here and we close our trade right there, this is going to be the take profit level. We have to wait for the gold to make here a bullish movement, breaking out from that resistance at 1765.73, which means we have to wait for the gold to rise again, like that. And most likely, the gold is actually going to reverse right on that level of a resistance. Let me just show it to you. Most likely oh my goodness, that's perfect. That's exactly what I have drawn the line. That is the level of the resistance where we're actually expecting from the gold to reverse at. Nice. Now, what is the next movement? Well, don't sell at all. Don't sell right here, because this is not yet the level where we want to start selling the gold. I believe that the gold is still gonna maintain a bullish movement. So most likely we have to wait, my friends, for the next opportunity to place our next buy order for the gold. And if I'm not mistaken, that level of a support right here, which was the original take profit number 1, is gonna be the next level where we can start buying the gold again. Which means your same level of take profit number 1 right now will become buy 3. That's gonna be the buy 3. Let me just move this one, place it somewhere here. And then if that happens, so meaning the next movement is gonna be like this. Now we need to consider something. We are having here a support zone, as you can see. My problem is this support right here. But however, the real level of the support lies exactly right here, because the same level of that support has already become a real resistance. That's why I'm expecting from the gold to be reversing exactly from that level. But you can expect from the gold to fall for a few pips more before finally start the bullish movement. And if that happens, the take profit level is gonna be placed right there at the highest level of the resistance. That's gonna be the take profit number 3, which means I'm expecting from the gold to move just like that. And of course, the rest is clear in my opinion. Is if hopefully the gold has moved as I'm predicting, and I hope I'm right, most likely the next movement, of course, my friends, will be switching now to the midweek video and place this sell order right here exactly at 1775.55. And of course, we can keep the trade running all the way, because if the gold has reversed from that level of a previous support, then most likely the gold is indeed gonna continue the fall for about 500 pips. Now keep in mind that this is of course based on the current situation. We still have the unemployment rate and the non-farm payroll news for the USD, which is gonna occur on Friday afternoon. This actually might change the gold signal. Now this is actually gonna affect only the analysis on the midweek chart or midweek analysis video. But regarding this one is only for Thursday, I believe. I believe the gold is gonna move like that based on Thursday only. Let me just tell you something else. What if after I finish recording this video, the gold has moved like that in a bullish movement? Well, the same analysis is gonna remain the same. Just wait for the gold to reach that level of buy 1. Wait for the gold. If you wish to, if for example, the gold has made a strong bullish movement right here and then started reversing, then placing here another buy order is not a bad idea. I mean, you can activate the buy 3. because the buy 3 is based on a breakout from that level of a resistance. Are you following me? So if the market has made any bullish movement or bullish breakout from that level of a resistance, then the buy 3 can be triggered. So just wait for the market to fall like that, and that level of a previous support is most likely gonna be respected, and place your buy order and wait for the market to reach the take profit level where the pullback has originally begun. Guys, I really want to know from you, is following these signals, and I mean, is it clear for you? I mean, are you really getting benefits from these gold signals videos? Are you actually trading these signals videos? I really want to hear your feedback. I want to know if I'm wasting my time or not. If not, I will continue. If I'm wasting my time, just tell me what is wrong, what should I do, what do you advise me to adjust in these videos. I want to hear from you, because in the end, all of this is just for you. I'm not getting any benefit out of this. And if you think that YouTube is paying me too much, then you are wrong. The YouTube money is just not, it's really embarrassing to be even worth to. All I'm doing here is just to share my experience with everyone. I want to make sure that everyone is making profits with me in the gold. So again, if these signals are clear for you, let me know. If not, then please advise me what else should I do to make it more clear for you. Anyway, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.